Garden forks can help you with a wide range of gardening chores, including digging, aerating soil and lawns, moving mulch, turning compost, and transplanting perennials. Because of their design, which features several tines rather than one broad blade, they often can dig into soils that are too hard to penetrate with a shovel. The tines also do a better job of loosening the soil than the blade of a shovel or spade. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 garden forks on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Radius Garden 203 Pro Garden Digging Fork. This garden fork is technically a digging fork, but it can be used for a wide variety of garden tasks, including aerating soil, turning soil, digging up potatoes or bulbs, transplanting perennials, and moving mulch. It features a traditional design with 4 tines that are sharp enough to dig into compacted soil easily. An O-shape handle, a relatively new innovation in the world of garden forks, makes this model an ergonomic choice. The O-shaped design offers more grip area than traditional T or D style handles and helps reduce stress on your hands and wrists as you work. The top of the head is extra wide at 7 inches, compared to 5.5 inches on the Worth Garden 42-inch spading fork, our top budget pick. This extra width allows you to cover more ground faster and improve your leverage and balance. Several features help increase strength and durability, including a resin-encased carbon steel shaft and stainless steel tines on the fork's head. Number 2. Roam Wild Multi-Digger Garden Digging Spading Fork. If you need to dig into hard soil, this is one of the best garden forks for the job. The steel head features a wedge design with pointed tines that more easily break clumps of soil than traditionally designed garden fork heads. The handle on this fork features a dual handle that gives you more places to grip, increasing comfort and providing more leverage and control when digging. There is a grip on the shaft of the tool as well, to offer additional flexibility and comfort. A tapered, ergonomic design helps you get more power without exerting more effort, and the wide foot pads on the head help you easily push the garden fork into the soil. However, the design of the head that makes the tool work so well for digging also increases the space between the tines and makes other garden tasks, such as transplanting perennials or turning over soil, slightly more difficult. Number 3. Spear & Jackson Neverbend Professional Digging Fork. Designed for landscape professionals and contractors, this garden fork is built using quality materials and construction so that it can stand up to heavy use. Like many other digging forks, it features 4 straight tines with pointed ends. This design helps it more easily pierce compact soil and makes it especially well suited for digging. The carbon steel head on the garden fork is strong, so it can dig into hard soil without breaking. It's also coated with epoxy to help it resist rust, scratches, and alkalis in the soil that can damage the head over time. Although this hand fork is very strong, it's on the shorter side when compared with other garden forks. Measuring just over 39 inches, it will be a great choice if you're on the shorter side, but the short length may result in too much bending if you're on the taller side. Number 4. Worth Garden Plastic Coated Stainless Steel Fork. Looking for a garden fork that can be used for a variety of garden tasks and won't break your budget? The Worth Garden 42-inch spading fork is the best gardening fork for the job. You can use the fork for a variety of tasks, including loosening the soil before planting, spreading mulch on garden beds, transplanting perennials, and digging up root crops, such as potatoes. This garden fork includes some thoughtful design features, too. The ergonomic handle, for example, features a D-shaped grip with small ripples. This grip is designed to keep your wrist in a neutral position, which will help reduce stress and increase comfort when you have a lot of work to do in the garden. The stainless steel head not only looks stylish but also resists rust and decreases the amount of soil that sticks to it as you dig into your garden beds. The steel shaft further increases the garden fork's durability. Number 5. Haas Tools Garden Digging Fork. If you need a garden fork that will stand up well to regular use and you don't mind paying a bit more for a higher quality tool, consider the Haas Tools Garden Digging Fork. With long 11-inch tines, it's a great fork to use for aerating soil or mixing compost into deep, raised beds. The heat-treated steel tines are durable and the D-shaped handle and shaft are made of aircraft-quality tubing, which is strong enough to stand up to regular use and also helps to distribute the weight equally so you can do more with less effort. This garden fork also comes with a rubber foot pad that provides a wide surface to place your foot and push the tines into the dirt. The foot pad can be put on either the left or right side of the garden fork, which adds versatility, although a pad on both sides would undeniably make it even more convenient. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.